Hello, this is Mark from Productive Computing. If you ever wanted to send texts from FileMaker, this particular course will show you how. At Productive Computing University, we have a course called Connect FileMaker to Twilio. And in this course, we'll learn how to use the Twilio services to send text directly from FileMaker. The course comes complete with a downloadable file that is opened and unlocked. Within this file, you'll provided a few pieces of information, such as your API key, the secret, the text itself, and the recipient. With that information, you'll be able to send a text with just a click of a button. Now, with the help of our instructional videos and lessons that come with the course, we'll walk you through everything from A to Z. This includes lessons on what is Twilio, why do you need it, how to set up a new account, the difference between a trial account and a paid account. We'll learn the differences between SMS texting and MMS texting, and we'll have examples of how to send both types. There'll be lessons on how to format the text and be considerate of character length and segmentation as it relates to pricing, and many other considerations you need to think about in the world of texting. So you can find the course at Productive Computing University. It's available both as an individual purchase or, even better, as a bundle purchase with the entire university bundle, which includes this course and many others like it. So if you have the need to send text through FileMaker, this course will get you started quickly.